about you, but anytime I have to wash dishes like this, I hate it, okay? And I finally found something, which is Dawn's Platinum Powerwash. I think I'm kind of late to it, but I finally got it. Okay, I'm gonna show you that it works. So first though, I like rinse out still, so soap or anything. So I'm gonna spray this, and I'm heavy-handed. That's just who I am. But we're here. I'm getting better with reading directions, everyone. So the directions do say for heavy soiled dishes, first allow suds to sit for a few minutes, then wipe and rinse. So we're gonna wait a few minutes and then we will come. I'm not going to use a paper towel. I'm gonna use my sponge. And I'm still, so this can be maybe like, oh, it doesn't really work, but I'm just gonna use the scratchy, the Brillo side versus this. But you know what, like it comes off. I prefer, see, I just lightly, like you see, not really using a lot of effort, which I appreciate when it comes to washing these kind of dishes. And I could have made it sit possibly a little bit longer. I'm making a video, Lennox. I could have made it sit a little longer, but it's like, look, like, you see? Like, let me know if you've tried.